This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm Mindset Coach Laudiaann Silva is making you another video. Okay, the time is actually 4:42 a.m. I just want to make this quick video because I'm going to go out and work out at the beach, and I'm going to make another video at me at the beach so you guys can see that I am starting to exercise again. I've been feeling really guilty about exercise, so I have to get my exercise, my body in line with me in order for my whole for me to feel good about myself, and I'll be able to do more, be more active like I used to before. But right now I haven't been exercising because of the COVID, and there's been a downfall. Yes, I know, but you know what, I'm going back up. Okay, everything is going up now from now on, because now I was introduced to meditation and the mind hacks with Wesley Virgin. He's now my mentor. I've always wanted to have a mentor. I prayed for one, I got one, and I have a mentor for YouTube as well, for my YouTube channel, who is Matt Parr. Okay, Matt Parr, you're going to find him in one of my videos, okay? And I'm going to be posting more of his videos because he actually gives free information, how to boost your channel, how to grow your channel. As me, as a student, I have all his knowledge in my back office, and whenever I have a question, if I'm stuck, I'm always going to him, asking him what I need to do to actually improve my channel. And I'm always focusing on improving my channel because that's my focus right now. I want to blow my channel up. I've said it many times, my channel will be blown away. More people are going to come to my channel, and they're just going to come falling like magnets. I mean, I have been actually writing my movie script on a journal saying all these things, and it's going to happen because I believe it, and I really feel it already about that my channel is just going to blow up. But I have other channels too, so I'm going to work on the other ones too. I have one with the music, I will have one with my crochet, but my focus is this one is number one. So I'm going to actually learn all I can. I actually been watching videos, guys, on YouTube. Learn from the texts that know the expert, those texts that know how to grow your channel. Have you guys ever been watching their channel, ever listened to the knowledge that they have? I get some of their knowledge from them, and then I take that information and I invest it in my head, and I just do what they say. I just do what they tell me to do. So that's what I've been doing. I've been working on the knowledge of what they give me. So I'm actually I'm getting the results of my channel by doing that, by learning from other techie experts that know how to grow their channel fast. And that's what I've been doing. But my focus was to do this channel art. I wanted to show you guys where you upload it, so you can go to canva.com if you're new. All right, I'm always showing things for you guys. So you can also do YouTube thumbnails here, YouTube display ads, YouTube video ads. YouTube channel art is where we're gonna go. But there's Facebook story. How many of you guys post something on Facebook story? Guess what? You can design something and then upload it on your computer and share it on your Facebook story. That's another way how you can advertise Wesley Virgin and Ariella. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do like 2 of them. I'm probably going to post 4 today. That's a good idea. I think what I do is, everyone, I just go with the flow. Whatever I feel, I just do it. So that's what I've been doing. But Canva, you can do anything. You can design anything. Logos, posters, videos, presentation, desktop wallpaper, resume, business cards, book covers, ebook covers, CD cover, you name it. You can design your t-shirt, anything to do with your website. You can create all kinds of pictures here. Invitation, postcards. There's the Facebook story, Twitter ads, and much more. So guys, just take a look at it. because you can do a lot of things here for free. And do not sign in for Canva Pro, because that's a membership and you don't really need that. Okay. All right, let me go back to my YouTube channel, because I actually changed my YouTube channel art. There you go. See my YouTube channel art? I changed it, guys. And where you're gonna upload, once you upload your YouTube channel art, you're gonna upload it to your YouTube channel. And YouTube has changed everything around. So from that, now when you go to these buttons here, it's going to take you to a page. You're not going to see the old Google where you click on and you're going to see your gallery, your photos in a gallery. And if you're looking for those, guys, it's all gone. It's wiped off. Actually, YouTube erased it. I'm sorry to say, but they erased all your photos in there. And if you have been doing Canva and you designed your YouTube channel art from Canva, it automatically gets saved into your computer, so you don't actually lose it. So I'm lucky, because that's what I did, so I'm good. So when you click on either customize channel or this logo picture up there, it's going to take you to this this is very new, guys. It's your channel. It's taking its time. Let's just wait. Okay, your channel customization. You got your layouts, your branding, and your basic information. So let's go to branding, because this is where I want to show you where you upload your brand new YouTube channel art. This is where you upload it, okay? When you remove it, it turns red, okay? And then it will say upload. So you're going to upload your YouTube channel art, and then you're going to upload it, and then it's going to screen it for you, and then you're going to crop it, and then you're going to publish it up here. See this in the right? You publish it. Once you publish it, you take a look at it. If you see something off, I'm sorry to say, you have to go back to Canva and you got to fix it. Okay. And I had to do this, I think this is my 14th photo, my 14th time I had to do this back and forth to make sure it was perfectly right in its right place. But let me take you back to Canva. I didn't take you in the back office of Canva. Okay, this is my YouTube channel art here. Now, I'm going to give you an example. Okay, you're going to create like here, like a little rectangular here, and it's all got to be in the middle. Okay, so whatever you're going to put on YouTube channel art, you make sure it's in the middle, and it's got to be at a certain size. If you got it too high, it's going to be too up when you upload it on YouTube, and it's not going to look right. So then when it doesn't look right, you have to go back to Canva, you got to move it back down. So you're going to have to play around with it, and actually you'll get the hang of it where it actually has to be. And once you get it, if you create another one for another channel, it's going to be easier for you. But yeah, I don't know the measurements, but I do know exactly where to put it, and in such a short time, I actually have it at the right place. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys, okay, when you upload or prepare to make your logo, make sure it's little. Let me take one of these pictures. Okay, see this one right here? I'm going to drag it over here. And, oops, I didn't want to make it big, but I don't know if it's going to make it small. I didn't want to make it a picture. Okay. Let me just remove it. Oh my gosh, I can't even remove it. Let me just put a photo in here. I know it doesn't match, but here, I put the done for you services here. Oops, you got too many. Remove one of them. So you're going to actually, I'm trying to show you guys an example. All right. So it's got to be really little like this. Okay, say this is a picture of you, and I'm just using this as an example with the done for you services, and I didn't mean to put this in the background. but it happened to be. But I'm just sharing with you, it has to be right here, and it's got to be here and here, like in a little tiny rectangular, and you got to fix everything in there so that when you upload it on YouTube, it's going to be perfect. Okay, and sometimes it'll be off, so if it's off, you have to come back and maybe readjust this. Okay, but that's actually how you do it. All right. Okay, so let me go back to my channel, and actually this is the video I wanted to do for you guys, is just to share with you where you upload your YouTube channel art and where you can create one for free. All right, I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.